Hello guys, good morning. And in this video I'm going to share our personal experience in a hotel, where in a restaurant where we are going to eat our lunch. Okay, so basically we are going to eat a chicken made of hell of fire. Okay, so the chicken which is put in the hell of fire, and we are going to taste that. It is going to be really amazing because the taste is too good to have it. Okay, so the restaurant is very near to our house, and we are going. Okay, so this is the area is Fahil, and while we are crossing the street, I will show you how costly cars we can find in our way. So whenever you are in Gulf, if you cross any street, you will find all these costly cars like Land Cruiser Prado, this black one.
Land Cruiser
It was more than a crore in India. And like Lexus, this side white color Lexus, and this is Nissan Petrol. So all these costly cars you can find on the street. Okay, see the Lexus, everywhere the Lexus and Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado, and many other costly cars you will find. Okay, so meanwhile I will show you. See, this is Mercedes C-Class. So meanwhile we are going to the restaurant, and I will keep on showing you all these costly cars so that we won't be bored. Okay, so this is another Lexus. This is Land Cruiser Prado. It's very famous here, and it is like too much. You will find in India as you find Innova, same as Innova you will find here, this one. So we are almost near to our restaurant where we are going. As you can see the yellow and black board there. Yeah, this one. This is the hotel. This is the restaurant we are going. Okay, this restaurant name is Mut'am Al Sabah Al Jai. Okay, this is in Arabic, and the address is beside this building. You can see this Yal Tower. Okay, just right side of this Yal Tower, you can see the black and yellow board. Okay, so this is where the restaurant is located. Okay, so as you can see, there is a hell lot of fire. This is the reason we call it a chicken made up of hell of fire. Okay, so this is actually called a grilled chicken, and we call it in Hindi Jahannam ki murgi. So I am already inside, and we are inside the restaurant. This is outside view. As you can see, there are a lot of crowd as well. So this is the bread that has been served already. This is very hot, and it is a locally baked bread from the tandoor. Okay, it is a locally baked bread. Okay, and it is really nice. And this is the garlic paste. This garlic paste you can have as a snack with this bread as a snacks. Okay. So now they have served already the grilled chicken, the chicken made up of hell of fire, and this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful, and it is really tasty as well. So my brother-in-law is also telling that it is really tasty, and I asked him how is the taste, and he is just concentrating on eating, and he's telling, yeah, it is good. Yeah, see. So I will also concentrate on eating now. Okay, and I want to show another dish. This is hummus made up of chickpeas, and it is really famous here in Kuwait. It's finally a payment time. So now we have come to a ice cream shop from Petra brand. It is a Choco. We both have bought one, and we are going to sit here. And see, it is made up of Petra. So we are going to sit here, and we'll give you review about ice cream, and also about the lunch we had, the grilled chicken or the chicken made up of hell of fire. So we are really happy that the taste was so good, and it was so cheap, like 1 kd of one plate. So we have just spent 2 kd for 2 persons. And it is so really good, and I am asking my brother-in-law whether he want to refer or not, and he's telling yes, he would like to refer others as well, because it is so tasty it is so tasty and is affordable as well. Okay,